So let's do a simple while loop example. We can use a while loop to execute a block of code over and over while something is true. So I'm going to go ahead and hand trace this pseudocode for you. On line 1, we create a variable called num, and we initialize it to 0. And then we'll hop into the loop, or actually test the condition of the loop on line 3, which asks a question. And if the answer is true, we will hop into the block of that loop and execute those statements, which are on lines 4 and 5. And then we'll go ask the question again. So we keep asking the question until the answer is false, and then we will hop out of the loop. So the question is, while the contents of num is less than 5, and so 0 is less than 5, so we hop into the loop and execute line 4, and that says display the contents of num. So 0 will be displayed in the output window. And then on line 5, we add 1 to num and then store it back into num. So now num has the contents of 1. And then we'll go back up and ask, while num is less than 5, true, 1 is less than 5. So display num and then add 1 to num. Is 2 less than 5? True. So display num and then add 1 to num. Is 3 less than 5? True. So display num and add 1 to num. Is 4 less than 5? True. So display num and then add 1 to num. Is 5 less than 5? False. This question will result in a false, so lines 4 and 5 will not be executed and the flow will continue on to line 7. So the only output that will be displayed is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you're asked a question, how many times will the statements in the while loop execute? Well, the answer would be 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the loop statements executed 5 times.